Today we're diving into the world of travel fashion. As someone who loves to travel, explore new cities and enjoy my adventures to the fullest, I'm excited to share these tips with you. Whether you're gearing up for a relaxing beach vacation, an adventurous city break, or a business trip, looking sharp while on the go is always a great idea. Who doesn't want to arrive at their destination looking and feeling their best? Stick around till the end because I've got a bonus tip that will make your travel experience even smoother. My name is Omari and I have a passion for fashion and would like to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone muscle.
To kick things off, let's discuss the must-have items in your travel wardrobe. Versatility, comfort, and style are key. Here are the essentials every man should pack. Number 1. Comfortable sneakers. Essential for navigating airports and exploring new cities. You don't want to wear uncomfortable shoes that will leave your feet sore. Go for stylish yet comfy options. Classic white or sleek black sneakers are ideal because they match almost everything. Number 2. Tailored blazer. It elevates your look from casual to smart effortlessly. It's great for those unexpected dinners or meetings. Number 3. Neutral t-shirts and shirts. Stick with colors like white, black, gray or navy. These are easy to mix and match, optimizing your luggage space. Number 4. Chinos and dark jeans. More comfortable than dress pants and versatile enough to dress up or down. Dark jeans are perfect for evening outings, while chinos are excellent for a relaxed yet polished look. Number 5. Lightweight jacket. It's perfect for layering in unpredictable weather. Consider a bomber jacket or a denim jacket. And number 6. A stylish watch. A watch helps you stay on time and makes your outfit more stylish. You can opt for a versatile design that can be dressed up or down, like a classic leather strap or a sleek metal band. Packing smart is about choosing items that can create multiple outfits. Let's see how these essentials work in different scenarios. Smart casual look. Let's create a smart casual look suitable for various travel occasions. From grabbing a coffee in a new city to a casual dinner. First, start with a crisp white t-shirt, a versatile base layer for any wardrobe. Next, add a pair of dark chinos. Comfortable and stylish, perfect for various activities throughout the day. And then layer with a tailored blazer. Instantly gives you a polished appearance without appearing overly formal. And then finish with comfortable sneakers. Practical for travel yet stylish enough to complement your outfit. You can add a stylish watch to complete the ensemble with a touch of class. This combination ensures you're ready for almost any casual setting while traveling. Let's look at the business travel attire. For business trips, looking professional and feeling comfortable is a must. Here's an ideal business travel outfit. Start with a dress shirt. Choose a wrinkle-free fabric to keep a neat appearance during your trip. And then add a tailored suit. A dark suit is versatile and professional. Opt for one with a bit of stretch for added comfort. For footwear, go for leather loafers. Formal enough for meetings but comfortable for walking. Plus, they're easy to slip off during security checks. A quality watch and a sleek briefcase add sophistication and show you're serious about business. This outfit ensures you're ready to impress in any business setting while remaining comfortable. And now let's move on to outfit number 3. The casual explorer. Exploring new cities requires a balance of comfort and style. Here's a casual look perfect for sightseeing. At first, start with a breathable polo shirt. This keeps you cool and stylish, ideal for long days of exploration. Add a comfortable jeans or shorts. Depending on the weather, dark jeans or shorts work great. You can combine the whole thing with a lightweight jacket. It's ideal for unpredictable weather. A denim or a light bomber jacket adds a stylish layer. When it comes to footwear, go for versatile sneakers. This provides comfort and good support for all-day walking. Never forget a backpack. It's functional and stylish for carrying essentials like water, camera, and travel guides. This outfit is perfect for a full day of exploring new places while staying comfortable and stylish. Now, let's talk about a crucial part of your travel experience, your luggage. It's not just about what you wear, but also what you carry your clothes in. Here's something that makes traveling a whole lot smoother. My new luggage from level 8. They sent me 2 amazing pieces and I have to share the details. Luggage 1 is the Gibraltar full aluminum carry-on in color silver. This suitcase is like the James Bond of luggage. Sleek, shiny and super tough. It's made from aerospace grade aluminum, ensuring it's built to last. It has ultra-quiet spinner wheels that glide like a dream. And zipperless TSA approved locks to keep everything secure. Perfect for quick getaways when you need to look sharp and travel light. And luggage number 2, the Hagen check-in luggage in grey. This 24-inch suitcase is a real game changer. With a micro diamond finish that looks super classy and handles rough travel without losing its charm. It has a white handle for easy packing, interior compression system to keep everything neat, and a dry-wet separation pocket for those just-in-case moments. Additionally, Level 8 provides a lifetime warranty that covers any functional damage. Traveling with these Level 8 pieces has made my journeys so much smoother and stylish. If you're in the market for new luggage, definitely check them out. And here's a special treat for my subscribers. Level 8 is offering a 20% discount for a limited time only, from the 3rd to the 15th of July. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out. Let me tell you why quality luggage matters. I love to travel and explore new cities, and I've noticed so many men who don't pay attention to how their luggage looks. However, having high quality luggage is essential for several reasons. Reason number 1, durability. High quality and stylish luggage like mine from Level 8 is made to handle the demands of travel. You don't want your suitcase falling apart while it's being transported. Number 2, style. A sleek and stylish suitcase enhances your look as a well-dressed traveler. It's part of making a great first impression. Number 3, functionality. You need luggages with smooth rolling wheels to make your travel experience as smooth as possible. Number 4, lightweight. Suitcases that are lightweight are easy to carry and maneuver. Number 5, organizational features. Interior compartments and pockets help keep your belongings organized, ensuring you can find what you need quickly and easily. So, investing in good quality luggage is just as important as choosing the right clothes. It ensures you travel efficiently and look good doing it. Alright fellas, back to more travel tips and stylish outfits. Here are some additional tips to keep you looking sharp during your travels. Tip number 1, pack smart. Use packing cubes to organize your clothes and minimize wrinkles. Rolling your clothes instead of folding saves space and keeps them wrinkle-free. Number 2, carry a mini steamer. A portable steamer can keep your clothes looking fresh after a long flight. Number 3, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin looking fresh. Air travel can dehydrate you, so keep a bottle of water handy. Number 4, minimalist approach. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. This saves space and ensures stylish options for any occasions. Last but not least, number 5, comfort is key. Prioritize comfort for long travel days. Choose clothes that are easy to move in and made from breathable fabrics. As promised, here's a bonus tip to keep you feeling fresh while traveling. Long flights can make it hard to stay fresh, but carrying travel-sized deodorant wipes is an easy fix. These wipes are perfect for a quick refresh during a layover or before you land. A quick swipe under your arms and you'll feel much fresher and more confident. That's it for today's video on stylish travel outfits for men. I hope these tips and outfit ideas help you look sharp and feel confident on your next trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest fashion tips. My name is Omari, I wish you all the best, until next time, peace!
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle.